All right, y'all, we have a early look at a sneaker. Well, it's really not too early because they do drop tomorrow, but hey, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Looking at this sneaker in hand, they have really grown on me, but it is a little bit different, man. Today we're gonna be unboxing, reviewing, and talking about a detailed look of the Air Jordan 3 Rare Air joints. Hey, these gonna sit. Let's talk about it. Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Troop, and today we're gonna be looking at these joints right here, the Air Jordan 3 Rare Air. And it's been a lot of mixed emotions about these things, and I do honestly feel like that as nice as this sneaker is, I don't know if it's just timing or what, but I do think these shoes will be readily and widely available for you guys to purchase outside of release day. So I'm gonna encourage you guys to, hey, save your money and don't buy them on release day. But as I always say, if you are interested in a sneaker and you just want to avoid everything else, if you like it, go ahead and pay that retail ticket for it. Get the sneaker, secure it, and don't have any more worries. It is your money, your sneakers to cop what you like, you know what I'm saying? But before we get up into this detailed look, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. We are steadily climbing, and it's because each and every one of you guys, y'all have no idea how much I appreciate you. Thank you guys so much for rocking with the channel and the content. Make sure you guys comment down below, and we're gonna keep this thing going. Now, let's take a look at this sneaker. All right, so first things first, as you guys can see, a little pan over of this sneaker. It is a predominantly black Jordan 3. It is kind of has the true blue colorways on it. The elephant print was removed, and we'll talk about that. But for the most part, you got a lot going on with this sneaker. In my opinion, it was put together better than the Rare Air Jordan 1s. But as we always do, let's go ahead and start with this box, man. So as you guys can see right here, the box is probably the best thing in my opinion when it comes to the sneaker. As you guys can see, we have that Jordan box that has his face there, and it, you know, it looks like it's kind of like almost holographic or hologram or whatever. I love this box, man. We open up that box. First, let me show you size tag. This is the size tag for y'all. It's 11.5. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to legit check your pair. Jumpman logo right there. We're going to open up the box. We do have that Spickle Spackle paper. We have the Flight Jumpman logo right there. And does it have a quality control sticker, man? Yeah. Quality control sticker is going to be back there as well. And that is it for the box. Now, when we talk about this sneaker, I think it's very important that we start out with the most unique thing about these sneakers, why it is rare. As you guys can see on the back end of this shoe, the Nike logos are actually mirrored. They're facing each other. So normally you have the Nike logo that looks identical, but these are pointed towards each other. That is on purpose. That is not a mistake. And that is along the lines of the whole Rare Air type thing. Almost like you got a PE or something different, you know what I'm saying? It's got that cream off-white cup. It's got that cream on the back end, a little bit of the gray instead of the elephant print, leading off into that black. As we go into the toe box of the sneaker, like I said, the elephant print was removed on it. As you guys can see right here, we have a suede that's like a dark gray going into that true blue colorway right there. And then you have on the back end, instead of the elephant print, you have this lighter gray suede. Not bad material, as you guys can see right there. Pretty good material. Leather quality, as you see on the side. It's not a stiff leather, kind of like a smooth leather, you know what I'm saying? Not super tumbled. Not bad quality, as you guys can see on the toe box. There go the leather right there. It's kind of a little bit shinier than what I think a lot of people would like or whatever. On the inside of the shoe, it's the exact same thing. Got a little bit of that true blue on the top of the sock collar. And this is like a suede as well. Now, when we come to the laces, it was a couple of pairs of laces. You do get two. You get this kind of like a white colorway. This one right here. This is actually a pair of laces from a pair of New Balances. The guy that's let me review these things, he swapped them out with a pair of New Balance laces, which is thicker, which is super dope in my opinion. I feel like it makes the sneaker pop. But the original pair that does come with it is going to be like almost like a grayish white colorway. Also has this black pair of laces right here. This comes stock on the sneaker, and I really don't like it with the sneaker, so we're going to put that to the side. I do feel like this kind of, if you have the option to go with, I feel like this cream colorway is the best. You feel what I'm saying? Now, as we look at the tongue of the sneaker, it's like a gray suede, as you guys can see right here. It's a red Jumpman logo. Again, the lace swap right here, hints of the gray behind there. And then on the bottom, we have hints of the red, blue, and that cream colorway as well. On the inside of the sneaker, the sock line is going to be a black and then you have the rare air. Behind the tongue is gonna be that true blue. The air unit right there is gonna be a grayish white color as well. In my opinion, not a bad sneaker. Here's going to be the right one. Identical sneaker, exact same thing. Y'all let me know down in the comment section, what are your thoughts and opinions about these things? Is this something that you guys feel like is going to sit or sell out? They did end up dropping these things a little bit earlier, and a lot of people were able to get them, but they sat on some of these EU websites and stuff like that. And I think it's gonna, right now, even the pre-sale for them is a little bit cheaper than retail. Give and take the fees and stuff like that, you might pay right at retail, but you can get these shoes. They are affordable. So that's why I'm saying that I'm leaning towards the fact that these things will be sitting opposed to selling out, just because they're dropping a lot of stuff as well. And a lot of people want to save their money. But y'all let me know down in the comment section if this is a must cop for you guys. What are your thoughts and opinions? I think the Air Jordan 4 Rare Air is going to be the best one out of the pack. But honestly, there is nothing wrong with this sneaker right here. It is dope. It is fire. If you like it, buy it. Y'all know the mottos I've rocked with. Rock what you like, not what's hype. So definitely, if you like it, get it, man. But that's all I got for y'all. Let me know down in the comment section what are your thoughts and opinions about this sneaker. Make sure you guys hit that thumb up button, and I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Remember, everything we talk about, including these threes, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
You should go and get 'em. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can